Central 500, you're out Wilson Road.
500, you guys are going to Wilson Road?
I'm going to your structure fire.
Okay, it's going to be on Salem Road.
Central engine 6.
Engine 6.
Responding Salem Road. 34, structure fire, possible entrapment.
Received, Engine 6, 1234 Salem Road.
681, we're responding Salem Road, structure fire.
Engine 1 responding, 1234 Salem Road. Company 8.
Company 8 responding Salem Road, structure fire.
Company 8 responding, 1234 Salem Road.
32 also.
Clear, 32.
32 Central, the resident is Colleen up.
Clear, 32.
Central's 105.
105.
Respond to Salem Road, structure fire.
105 responding, 1234 Salem Road. All units responding, have county on scene. And residents fully involved.
Central 500, fireground.
25 ground 12. All units responding, 25 ground 12.
205 Central, I'll be out here on Salem Road with county.
Clear.
30 seconds out. We'll need a line stretch. We're going to need to get in there and protect engine 6 to screw. 500, we'll stretch line from here. Resafe. Central from Salem Command.
Salem Command.
Engine 6 has removed one victim for 806. 500, just 806. 803's on the same. Cross engine 3 to Central, be on the string pulling line.
Receive Ross Engine 3. 102. 102, this Central.
Go ahead, Central.
102, are you monitoring fireground 12?
That's negative, but I will.
I can relay, advising that they have removed one victim. CPR is in progress. They're pulling the line for an attack.
Clear. 105 is Ross 104. Go ahead. So you're moving to 260 Ross will fire. I'm sorry, repeat your name. Go moving to 260 engine to Ross will fire for standby for north end and that fire. 10-4 at work.
Engine 11 is Central. Correction, 804 is Central. Bucket 804 is Central. Bucket 804, respond 1234 Salem Road, 1234 Salem Road. On this residential structure fire. At this time, respond emergency traffic. Due to one victim. Have CPR in progress.
804 clear.
Clear 804 responding. 804, what's your location? Okay, I'm clear. $814 Rock Spring for coverage. $814 Rock Spring for coverage.
Command, this 806. So I've got part of Company 8 down here in front of the fire. Where do you need them? got their engine? Crew or just their engine? FAO. Yeah, send their crew down to assist with fire attack. Officer, we got Company 8 standing by down here at the train. Engine 6 stop. Engine 6 from command, par. Engine 6 from command. You got par? Par. Clear. Command from engine 1. Engine 1, par. Copy. Command off from engine 3, you got par? That's correct, engine 3, par. Command, Company 8, par. 8, par. Central Salem Command.
Salem Command.
All units on the fire ground have par.
Clear. All units okay.
Command say. Go ahead. We're already been requested. Can you repeat that last? That's power already been requested. Negative, who you got? Should be PB, but we got 3 meters and 2 of us got locks. We can't do nothing with. Clear Central from Salem Command. Can you start at PB to this location?
That's correct. Calling them there.
Sharp from Command. Go ahead, Command. This female subject that was in the residence, can you put her in the back of your truck? Just so she's warm and dry, please. That's correct.
60.